morning, happy homeowners. This is Danielle with OnlyWoodFloors. I'm here in Brea, and we are going, let's see if I can turn this camera around. We're going to be refinishing these original hardwood floors. The homeowner is going natural, which will end up looking beautiful. We still have some paper on the floor from the painters. It's supposed to be coming up today. So we're starting in these back bedrooms. See all these spots be gone. We'll get this floor looking brand new. And yeah, the homeowner's really excited, just bought this house. So we'll get all this up. This should be about a 2-day job, maybe 3 days. So stay tuned and we'll show you the afters.